All right. So very briefly, I'm going to walk you through the current status of the market, the problems we're facing, what the market is currently investigating, and where the future is taking us. As you can see on this slide, the more we move forward and the more we increase in terms of complexity, but the more we add value. And this is what we need to reach. We need to bring some value, to add some value. So, okay, my slide is not okay. So as you might all know, the IoT market has started as a collection of buzzwords. Although it started around 2011, the market really took off around 2015, 2016. And at that time, it was mainly revolving around, integration and interoperability problem, because we're connecting so many technologies, hardware, software, gateways, communication, and cloud technologies. And so at the beginning, it was very complicated to make sense from all of this buzz. And the greatest difficulty was to identify clear business goals, right? There were multiple actors investigating and investing this market, but value was not really there. And the greatest part of our time was spent trying to solve this interoperability problem, which we did, by the way, with our platform, solving architecture concerns, scalability, security, among others, and dealing with, project management concerns, because since we were involving multiple technologies, we were also involving multiple disciplines with different vocabularies, different concepts, different perspectives. And so the market today, or so far, has led to the creation of platforms, IoT platforms, mostly horizontal, trying to simplify the way IoT applications can be implemented. This is the case of our own platform. These are low-code platforms. Basically, the features that are provided are collecting data from the sensors, passing the data through some rules, simple rules. It's all rule-driven decision tables, etc., simple if-then-else logic, and deriving this into monitoring features, dashboards, and reporting features. So this is what you'll find mostly in the market today. It's a highly competitive market because it's crowded. And while it's delivering some value, because we're covering many applications, so-called smart applications, smart cities, smart lighting, industrial lighting, air quality monitoring, smart assets, etc. Most of those are monitoring related. We're collecting data, we're processing the data. They go through some alerts, some decisions, we derive them into alerts, into reports, etc. Now, the real value starts there. We have collected data, and Dr. Said was mentioning machine learning and artificial intelligence a few moments ago. We're collecting data, and this is what's important now. We have harnessed the interoperability and integration problem. We're solving the project management and interdisciplinary problems. Now it's time to make sense of all this data we're collecting. And this is why the market is currently investigating how we can apply machine learning and artificial intelligence more broadly to all of this collection of data we've acquired, and to gain insights into our products and our business. So there are multiple applications currently for that. All businesses can benefit from the investment into machine learning in the IoT and artificial intelligence. A lot of applications we're seeing are dedicated to health, to the healthcare industry, so IoT, Internet of Medical Things. And this is how we're turning the IoT and smart applications that we saw at the beginning into something that is really smart, by leveraging this data and turning it into information and into knowledge. And we're not only doing this at the cloud level, But we also need to do this at the edge level, because this is where data is generated, and this is where we need to be very efficient and reactive and even proactive. So the next steps, I hope this slide will work. The next step is actually to derive this into something really digital. And this is what I call the digital age. It's not my invention, but by combining the automation that we have from the preceding steps, plus the knowledge we're acquiring by applying artificial intelligence and machine learning, and normalizing the data that we have, the purpose is to create digital twins of our products and digital threads. So the digital thread is this continuity that you have that is created by the information and the data you're collecting from your product, from the design stage to its production stage and even to its recycling stage. And the purpose here is to enrich and continuously improve the way we design our product and the way we use our products by gathering all of this information and turning our products into their digital twins equivalent. There are multiple applications for that. Most of them are related to the industry. I think this is where the market is heading currently. This is in the very near future where the market is taking us. There's a lot of things to do here in terms of closed loop manufacturing, closed loop product lifecycle management, etc. And of course, as a conclusion, I think within a couple of years from now, 2 to 3 years from now, all of this behavior that we've accumulated and we've mastered and standardized from the preceding steps should be distributed into more autonomous and collaborative agents that will leverage IoT mechanisms and AI and machine learning mechanisms to implement distributed and collaborative applications around the IoT.